Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat pagi, petang, malam kepada semua dan juga welcome back to my channel. Seperti mana pada video kita sebelum ni, kami telah membahaskan sedikit tentang topik satu iaitu DC meter. Dan juga pada video kali ini, kami juga akan membahaskan sedikit tentang oscilloscope dan signal generator. Jadi sebelum anda menonton video ni, jangan lupa tekan button like, komen dan subscribe channel ini. Dan marilah kita tonton video ni. Jom. And for the first, I want to talk about basic function of analog and digital oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is a device that allows the amplitude of electrical signals, whether they be voltage, current, power, and in another, to be displayed primarily as a function of time. The basic instrument for the study all types of waveforms. An oscilloscope, sometimes abbreviated as scope, is a voltage sensing electronic instrument that is used to visualize certain voltage waveforms. An oscilloscope can display the variant of a voltage waveform in time on the oscilloscope screen. And the main basic function of oscilloscope, the first one is measure AC or DC voltage. The second, measure AC or DC current. Third, measure the time and frequency. The fourth, measure the phase differential between two waveforms.
Today I will be discuss the advantage and disadvantage of two types of oscilloscope, analog and digital. Advantage of digital oscilloscope. Firstly, digital oscilloscope provide high accuracy measurement. Another advantage is the display storage. They also offer a bright, well-focused display at visually swept speed. Digital oscilloscope come with automatic measurement. Next, they can connect to computer and printer. Lastly, we have self-calculation. Disadvantage of digital oscilloscope. However, they can be more costly than analog oscilloscope. Digital oscilloscope may also be less intuitive to operate because they typically have more features. Analog oscilloscope. Advantage: analog oscilloscope have family control. They provide instantaneous display updating, which is useful for real-time adjustment. Next, they offer direct and dedicated control for common adjustment at a lower cost. Disadvantage: analog oscilloscope have low accuracy. They also no pre-trigger viewing capability. Lastly, higher ownership, and they have limited measurement capabilities.
For oscilloscope probes, two type, which is numerical and categorical. Numerical probes can be counted or measured by two, which is discrete or continuous. Discrete. The first way, discrete, can countable the probe, and the continuous way can measurable the probes. The second probes for oscilloscope is categorical. Categorical probes for oscilloscope may classified or can be grouped. So that's all presentation or slide or video by our group member. Thanks for Afiq, Syahirah to help me, and I make you guys angry.
Dan itu saja untuk video kita hari ini. Kami harap sangat video ni dapat membantu kepada anda semua yang belajar elektrik ataupun yang berkaitan dengan ni. So sampai di sini saja. Dan jangan lupa juga like, share dan subscribe. Jika ada apa-apa pertanyaan, boleh komen kat bawah. So, gerak dulu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.